In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about exception handling examples. Exception is a scenario which halts a normal execution of a program. Exceptions are abnormal situations that arise as error-like situations in programming. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle exceptions in Java. As said, exceptions are error-like situation, and exception handling is a mechanism to handle these kind of runtime errors so that the normal flow of execution of the program will not be affected. Exceptions are abnormal conditions that disrupts the flow of execution of the program. There are various mechanisms in Java to handle exceptions, and there are various built-in classes in Java for handling exceptions, such as IO exceptions, SQL exceptions, and class not found exceptions. Exception handling in Java is handled using the java.lang throwable class. Java.lang.throwable class is the root class of Java, and there are two subclasses that inherits throwable class, that is exception and error. So exceptions, normal exceptions such as input output exceptions, arithmetic exceptions, null pointer exceptions, index out of bounds exceptions, and other exceptions be handled by the exception class subclass of the throwable class. And errors such as stack overflow error, out of memory error, and these kind of errors can be handled by the error subclass of the throwable class. Try catch is a mechanism for handling exceptions. So the code that raises the exceptions can be placed inside the try block, and the exceptions can be handled using the catch block. This is an example for handling exceptions in Java. This code raises the exception is placed inside the try block, and the exception is handled in the catch block. So here IO exception is the exception that is handled. So catch blocks has IO exception as an argument. Exceptions can also be handled in Java, such as the given example. So there are two exceptions on two catch blocks that is given. One is for normal exception and the second one is for runtime exception. This example, the main method throws normal exception.